this one is big.
We got 3
Wow.
here as well.
This is super big.
This is our harvest. Hello beautiful people, good morning. I hope you guys are doing amazing today. Well, I'm so grateful this morning because I woke up. Yes, I do celebrate small wins and we have to normalize that. It is currently 6 in the morning right now and I'm so happy that I woke up because it doesn't really happen that often when I sleep here in my house. Anyway, today's video is going to be farming with Papa. Yes, we are going to be farming this early at 6 a.m. and I think that's the first lesson. If you want to be a farmer, you have to wake up super early, which I don't mind. I'm going to be sharing with you guys how our mini garden look here in the front yard. We are also going to be harvesting the sweet potato that we currently have and we are going to replant new produce. So that's very exciting. I am definitely super excited. So if you guys are interested, then please do help me reach 100,000 subscribers by hitting the subscribe button down below. It is absolutely for free and you make me happy. Without further ado, let's start. So I'm here in the garden right now and we're gonna go ahead and start harvesting the sweet potatoes. So all of these that you guys can see are sweet potatoes. I think it's already 3 or 4 months. So Papa is here with me. We are gonna go ahead and do it together. Of course, I have here a bolo. Look at that. I borrowed it from my mom. So we're gonna use this to harvest the sweet potato. So Papa is doing it right now. So he is going to show me. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at this, guys. We have sweet potato. Woo! Oh, nice. Ta-da! There you go. We put it here for now. So you have to make sure to get the one in the roots. You see? Look at that. Nice. Oh, I love sweet potato so much. Look! That's so big. It's also color pink. That's so cute. We got 2 here. Another one. Ta-da! We got 3 here as well. Look at this, guys. It's so amazing to watch actually, but I'm gonna do it later on as well because it's very fulfilling to see and harvest some crops from your own garden. Look at this. I'm gonna try for myself. Oh yeah, I think that's small. Super small. Oh, this one is small as well. Ta-da! I have a lot of leaves anyway, so I'm gonna try to do it myself with this root over here. So all we have to do is to pull the root. Lagi.
Larot yun.
Wala lagi.
I'm gonna unod good.
Okay. Okay, here.
Kay kaya. Gamot
You
na.
have to get down and dirty. Oh, there it is. Can you guys see? Uy, wala man. Ay, tara.
May unod law man. Naglipon ko daw gam ibot na gini.
Uy.
Lagi mukatay na.
Kulam ko dan ni.
Pumok ni utak kita man.
It's actually very deep. So, uy, this one is big.
Dako na.
Super big. Look at this. Guys, look how big that is. This is my first harvest. But it's so big. Like, I'm having a hard time because it's very deep. I want to make sure that I don't like break it or something. Uy, there's one more. See, there's already 3 of them. Ako na pa.
Gapongko na.
There you go, guys. Look how big. There's another one
Kudak ko gyapon.
here. Ooh. Guys, this is my first harvest. Oh my gosh, these are super big. Look at my first harvest. Ta-da! That's so fulfilling. Okay, I'm gonna be showing you guys what are the current harvests that we have so far for our sweet potato. It is quite a lot already, and I'm super happy to be able to get a few. Okay, look at this one, super big. Actually, they are here, but I'm gonna put this here because we are gonna cook this later on. Some are really like small, look. I don't know why do they like still get it. Okay, we got a lot already. I think we need another thing to put it. Ta-da! Wow! Okay, there's another stuff over there. Let's go. Okay, we have here this next batch. Papa slippers. Here. We're gonna put this here. This is what I got earlier, so big. And the second one. So we're gonna put all this here as well. Ta-da! It's almost full. And we're not even halfway through, like, getting everything. We have some kids here as well, look. They always want to try to help. Next batch. Alright guys. It hurts my leg. Next batch. We have a few here as well, so we're gonna put them. Some are very like little. I don't like the small ones, but if we're going to steam it, then it's still good. So we're gonna put this all. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe we have a lot of harvest from this little garden. This is what I like the most when farming, because once you harvest it, that's the time where it really feels so fulfilling. Catch! There, the other one. Oh, very good. Okay. Nice! I love it. So happy. Asabi! Look at this, guys. This is super big. Wow! The biggest of everything. So look at our basin. It's already full. It's actually pretty heavy. I think this is like 5 to 6 kilograms. And so we need to have another one. Here we go, because look at this. Just look how big it is. Ta-da! So we're gonna put them all here. Oh my gosh. This is like super fun. Early in the morning, this is giving me such good vibes. Okay, look, it's almost full again, and we're not even finished. This is how amazing it is. Oh my gosh, I love it, super love it. Nice. Fruit of labor. Well, one of the things that you need to possess in farming is patience. Yes. Imagine we planted this about 3 months ago, and this is the only time that we are able to harvest it. So you really need to have a lot of patience if you want to be a farmer. If you're living in the Philippines, then you should have patience. Otherwise, it's not gonna work out because everything here is slow. I thought it's very big, but it's super small. And it took me 3 minutes to do that. What the fudge? Farming really does need a lot of energy, you guys. This is the current situation right now. Look at this, kids. We have Nicole, we have Burchard, we have Darwin, Papa of course. They are trying to help. We're almost finished. Look at this, guys. From there to here. So we only got a few. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's full again. Wow, this one really amazes me. Look how big that is. Right, we got a few here. We put this in there. Some are really small, but Papa said the small ones are good because it would taste better. We have finally finished harvesting all of our sweet potatoes. I'm gonna show it to you guys. It is fairly heavy. I think this is about 10 kilogram or more. This is our harvest. Oh my gosh. Look at this, guys. This is literally a lot. This one's really big. Look at this. Nice. Ta-da. This is amazing. So this is how it looks now. As you guys can see, it looks really clean. There's nothing in there anymore. So Papa is trying to prep the soil because we are going to plant different produce. It is really hot right now. I think it's about 9 a.m. already. Whew. Now I'm gonna show you guys what are the produce that we are going to plant this time. So first, we have here some scallions. As you guys can see, it's got some roots already. So we are going to plant it there. At the same time, we're also gonna plant here a few more lemongrass. So I have here some lemongrass as well. There is a small snail. I'm gonna try to pick it up. Uy, it's sticky. Ta-da! Can you guys see? That's so cute. Hi. We're also gonna plant some ginger. So I have here a lot of ginger. I got this from my mom's farm. So there you go. I'm gonna show you guys one. Ta-da. So all you have to do is just to really plant this one, and then it's gonna have the roots and so on. It would look like this. Look. Ta-da. Right. And another one would be spinach. There you go. So we're gonna plant these. This is called Malabar spinach or alugbate in Bisaya. So yeah, once Papa will be finished with the soil, then we're gonna go ahead and plant. I'm super excited. Papa is trying to plant the lemongrass. As you guys can see, there you go, from here to there. Unfortunately, my bolo is destroyed. Look at this. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I definitely need to buy a new bolo. Then of course, after we plant the lemongrass, we have to water it directly. So Papa is doing it right now. I like how straight it is. Is that straight enough? There you go. Next will be scallions on the side. So finally we have finished harvesting and planting, and it feels so good, though it's very tiring. I am super tired right now because the sun is out and it is getting hot. So I'm gonna show you guys how does it look now and what are the produce that we have. So first, here on this row we have spinach or Malabar spinach, and then here we have some chili. We did not plant this one, this was before, and then the second one is over here as well. And then here on the side we have calamansi. So we have 2 calamansi. Here, I think you guys cannot see it that much, but here we have 6 rows, and these are gingers. As you guys can see, next to that we have here the scallions, so we have 4 rows. And then lastly we have the lemongrass. And also what I did is I tried to put this trunk of the tree all around it, and I put a straw as well so that no one could get into my garden. So this is how it's looking right now. Though I ran out of straw, that's why, as you guys can see on this side, it doesn't have straw anymore. And also we need to put more trunk of a tree here on the side so that all of it will have a fence. So ta-da, we're done. So this ends our vlog for today. I hope you guys enjoyed farming with me and Papa. I really had so much fun and I'm feeling so productive right now. I think it is only 10 in the morning and we have accomplished a lot. We have a lot of sweet potatoes and we have planted a lot of produce, so I'm super excited for this as well. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Please do subscribe to my channel, and as always, I will see you guys on my next one. Don't forget to smile and be happy. Bye!